All right, boys and girls, I'm so sorry, but the last two slides were a little messed up. I don't know what was happening, so I will try not to do that again. And we will talk about the last two slides really quickly. So let's look at the yellow clock again. Okay, I've already partitioned it into fourths, and it is a quarter to what time? What time is it about to be? I'm so sorry, that is Tuck Tuck. It is a quarter to 5 because it's about to be 5 o'clock. All right, let's go ahead and look at the blue clock. Okay. Yes, the hour hand is between the 7 and the 8. So it's about to be what time? Yes, it's about to be 8 o'clock, so it's a quarter to 8. Okay, and you can see I have already typed that up above it. Let's go ahead and look at the pink clock. And that time is about to be 1. So yes, it's a quarter to 1 o'clock. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this last slide. Okay, and I know the times are already here for you, and that is okay. But we are going to look at them together anyway. So we're going to look at the green clock first. I'm going to partition this into fourths, okay? So we're going to see that this has already been a quarter past. So it's a quarter past what time? It's about to be 1, but it's not 1 yet. So it's a quarter past 12. Okay? The pink clock next door, you should clearly be able to read that. Yep, 5 o'clock. So we're moving on. Okay, I'm going to partition this orange clock into quarters. Okay? And it's a quarter to something. What time is it about to be? Yes, it's not quite 11 o'clock, but it's about to be, so it's a quarter to 11. Okay, moving on to the teal clock. I'm going to partition it just down the middle, okay? And sorry, my line is a little squiggly there, but it is half past. Half past what? Yep, it's not quite 2 o'clock, so it's half past 1. All right, let's look down here at this yellowish, orangish clock. I'm going to partition this into quarters. You can probably hear the dogs in the background. And it is not quite 9 o'clock. Yes, it's 8:15, but we want to think of it into quarters, okay? So it's a quarter past 8. Moving on to the blue clock, I'm going to partition it. Okay, what time is it about to be? Because we only have this time left. Okay, in about 15 minutes, it will be 5 o'clock. So yes, it's a quarter to 5. Moving on to the teal clock. Okay, this one, again, I'm just going to divide it down the middle. And it's already passed all of, ooh, I went a little over. It's already passed all of this, so it's half past 8. It's half past 8 because it's not quite 9 o'clock yet. And then last but not least, we're looking at the yellow one. I'm going to partition it into quarters, okay? It's already past this. It's already past this. It's, oops. Oh, Nelly, I got rid of my pen. I don't know how that happened. And it's already past this. Okay, don't mind that my screen is a little bit off here. Wonder if I can move it back. Yep, there we go. Okay, so it is about to be what time? Yes, it's about to be 6 o'clock. So it's a quarter to 6. In about 15 minutes, it will be 6 o'clock. All right, boys and girls, hopefully the first video and the second video now you have watched. So now go ahead and do your assignment.